shipping and handling. But before we get to all of that, I am so excited that we are starting the hour with this first item. I've seen the presentation for it before. Maybe you have, and you lost out on your chance to get it because it sells out so quickly. But what do we all love? Chips. You give me a bag of chips, I'm eating the entire bag of chips, and then I'm feeling guilty the entire rest of the afternoon. Well, this is a way for you to prepare healthier chips in your microwave that are still delicious without all the oil and without all the fat. Whether you're using regular potatoes, sweet potatoes, you can even use things like kale and apples to prepare desserts. So stick around. I want you to see this presentation. It's under $20, and it will sell out. It does every single time. Now, I'm very excited to welcome the spokesperson for Ronco, and that is Chef Mark Gill. He's back here this morning. Nice to see you.
What a thrill. I've been waiting 24 years to stand on a national stage and talk about Ronco, their mission statement, their products. It really is a dream of mine. I'm so excited. We are going to start with such a fun product, the ChipTastic. So if we can, let's show everybody what they're going to get. Okay. And then we're going to show you how easy this is to use. And by the way, you are going to get everything you need. You're going to get the ChipTastic ring itself, all right? Very simple to use, really quick and easy. You're going to get the spices. We're going to give you the sour cream and onion. We're going to give you the salt and vinegar. We're going to give you the barbecue. And here's the cool thing. We're even going to give you the mandolin to prepare the slices.
Nice.
How cool is that? So, I mean, everything you need is in the package, including all the recipes. Okay. So, like you said, here's the problem. We all want a snack, and if we deny ourselves that snack, you might as well just take a little baby dragon, put him in a box, and sit on it. Eventually, that sucker's going to want out, and he's going to be mad. That's when
my life.
That's when we binge, right?
Yes.
So now what Ronco has done is what they always do, innovative ways to get healthy food into our body. They figured out a way for you to have those potato chips, those sweet potato chips, kale, apple, mango, but with no fat, no added anything. We're going to show you live how easy this is to make. And you're seeing the preparation right there. You're seeing all you have to do is make your slices. You're going to season them. You're going to put them in the ChipTastic, and you're going to put them in the microwave. And that literally is it. So let me show you that, okay? Right. We got our potato. Potato chips are potatoes. What you're not seeing, though, is a big vat of oil. Watch this. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take my potato, I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to take the mandolin that comes with the machine. Good catch. All right. And now I've got 5 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. Now this mandolin is designed to give you the exact perfect slices. Look at this. Every slice is the same as the last, and that's what we're looking for, is that uniformity, okay? So now here's my little ChipTastic ring, and all you do is you just insert right in here, just like this. And I'm going to hold this up for a second on the last one, because I want you to actually second last one so you can see it. Inside, and I'm sure we can see this, there's little hooks. Okay? There's no way to mess this up. Okay. All you're going to do is just give it a little fold, tuck it inside, and that's it. Once this is done and you've got your full ring of chips, and listen, this is enough for a couple of people to sit there and enjoy during a movie, whatever it is you're going to do. You're going to take this to the microwave. I have some finished ones. We're going to see this in a second. I'm going to take that right out of there. I'll put the new one in. Wait till you taste this. What a treat.
You have no idea. I'm so excited.
Now, we're going to set this.
How long are we cooking these for?
You know, it depends on where you are in the country and the humidity level that you're at. Anywhere from about 3 to 6.5 minutes is what you're going to do. Now, we're in Florida. Doesn't get much more humid than it does here. Okay? Now, I want you to watch something, okay? When I say potato chips, I mean potato chips. I don't mean chews, I mean chips. So before we even taste one of these, I want you to see something, okay? And I'm going to do this in my hand. Watch this. Look at that. That is a potato chip. It crunches, it munches, it gives you that satisfying. So here's what we're going to do. I want you to take one of these. I got some dip here if you want to try it. And like I said, no guilt. Go ahead.
It's just the potato.
It's just the potato. And you can hear the crunch.
That is amazing.
Isn't that fantastic? Now,
oh my gosh.
You can even serve it right in this tray. Now that's
take another one.
Another one?
Yeah,
go ahead and try your dip if you want.
Oh.
Now, as far as the seasonings go, you can do it in the beginning, you can do it after. So let's take even a little bit of barbecue, just like this.
It's coming with it.
It's going to come with it. So now, are you a barbecue chip fan?
Absolutely.
So here, this has a little bit of the barbecue spice on it. And again, you can run out, you can open up a bag of chips, go ahead and read the back. There's going to be like 16 things you can't pronounce. You don't know what they are. And chances are, if you don't know what they are, your body doesn't know what to do with it.
Exactly.
Okay?
Exactly.
When you're using the ChipTastic from Ronco, and again, Ronco, that's what they do. They innovate. They create products that allow us to enjoy the things in life that we don't let ourselves enjoy anymore.
Right.
And that's what this whole hour is about. We'll see it with the pasta, we'll see it with the rotisserie, but now we're going to talk about sweet potato chips. You're not just bound to potato chips. So I've got some here that are pre-done. Now, sweet potato chips, I got to tell you, sweet potatoes are a superfood. We all, you know,
yes,
if you've ever had a little look into it, that's one of the first things they're going to say about it. It's very low in sugar, even though it does give you that little tinge of sweetness, and it's packed full of vitamins and minerals, things you want to put in your body. So why not?
But not the easiest thing to get your kids to eat.
Thank you very much.
Right.
And you know what? A lot of times with these, it's they're quite pricey. You've got to travel to the health food store. So now we've got our sweet potatoes here. Now, what's nice against a little bit of sugar and sweetness is a little bit of salt and acidity. So we're going to give you that salt and vinegar. So now you can either do this in the beginning or the end. It's up to you. If you want an extra little kick, go ahead and give it some in the beginning, okay? So now we're going to take these. We're going to go to our microwave. I have some finished ones.
Yay.
And again, this is a real treat. Sweet potato fries, if you're a fan of them, you are going to absolutely love sweet potato chips. So now, here we go.
You know, and that's what's so great about this is we all eat chips. We all love to snack, like you said. Oh, my God, okay, I just have to try this. But what do? We go and get the bag of chips, and like you said, you have no idea what you're eating. You're eating oil, and a lot of times you're not even eating. This is sliced sweet potato or sliced potato. So many times you're eating a product that is half potato, maybe, mixed with a bunch of whatever and flour, and this is the actual flour. Okay, I'm going to stop talking because I have to fry the
And you get that quick taste of the sweet potato.
That is the best sweet potato fry I've ever had.
Isn't that wonderful?
Oh my gosh, because it's not greasy. It's just the flavor.
You know what? What a great thing. I want you to watch this real close, okay? We've all had potato chips. We've all had sweet potato chips. We've all had, you know, kind of these versions. I want you to watch something here, okay? I'm going to give it that little crunch on my fingertips. So now watch this.
No grease.
Are you kidding me? All right, I'll even I got to wear this shirt all day. If there was grease on my fingers, I wouldn't be doing it. There's actually people that are green who are going, no! But it's okay. There's no grease.
I could eat those nonstop. Those are delicious. This is $20 for you to get at home. Try it for yourself. It's as easy as putting it in the microwave. You select the seasoning that you love. I mean, think about your favorite combination of seasoning or salt or nothing. They're delicious by themselves, I promise you. But you're also getting that mandolin slicer with it today. So here you go. You have the cooker that goes in your microwave. Here's the mandolin slicer, so you don't have to figure out how do I slice them, how do I get them to the right size. We're giving you 3 of the flavors, the seasons, and you can get more of the seasonings. The item number's on the bottom of the screen if you want to do that. But again, have fun. Make up your own seasoning.
Exactly.
You know?
Now, in kind of taking the reins of this Ronco line, I've also decided that, you know, in my own life, I'm going to start making changes. You know, you can see on camera, I'm a big guy. It's time for me to start eating better. It's time for me to start making better choices. But you know what? Sometimes that's hard. I had somebody come to me once and say, you know what? You should try some kale chips. You know what I said? I don't think I will.
What is that?
Because if I'm not mistaken, they're made of kale.
I believe so.
But I got to tell you something. Making them in the ChipTastic, all of a sudden, they are one of my favorite snacks to eat. I swear to you, these are incredible. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your kale. You're just going to take the leafy part, and you're just going to kind of stuff it in these little openings. Kale chips aren't like a potato chip or a sweet potato chip where they're perfectly uniform. They're not supposed to be. You know what I mean? So we're going to fill these up. Just our last little ones here. Couldn't be any easier. Now, what the microwave does is it removes the moisture from the food in a very quick way. You know, it's not something you want to use to dehydrate, but it is definitely something that you're going to use to do things like chips. All right? So here's what we're going to do. Now, kale is not as thick as a sweet potato or potato, so I'm just going to set this one for 3 minutes. Now,
I'm so excited to try this.
Now, this is a little bit of sour cream and onion, okay? When you bite into these, and go ahead and grab one, they are so light, they are so crunchy, they are so full of flavor. And let me tell you something, okay? You virtually cannot put a better vegetable in your body than kale. Can you hear that crunch, everybody?
No way.
It's kale, and it's crunching. How cool is that?
That is delicious. I am so surprised right now how delicious and light and airy and satisfying that is.
So listen, you have a choice. You always have a choice. You can run and get the bag of chips. You can run and get the bag of snacks. You can run and get any of that stuff. Listen, I do it, but to Carrie's point right off the beginning of the show, you got to deal with that guilty feeling the rest of the day.
Exactly.
So what we've done is we've come up with a way for you to fill that craving, to not deny yourself of that snack, to still get that rich, deep potato flavor and crunch that you want in a potato chip or a sweet potato chip. And we didn't limit it to starchy roots. Yes. You can do this with apples. Now, with an apple chip, what you've got is it's a little bit more on the chewier side, and you just get this deep, rich apple flavor that is so unique. Nothing else tastes like apple chips out of here. And listen.
Oh, my God.
Isn't that incredible?
It's amazing. And think about how much dehydrated or apple chips are in the store for a little bag. It's so expensive. And remember, delicious.
I'll remind you of the kale. There's, of course, the sweet potatoes. There's the potatoes. And then at the other end here, we also did the mango chips. And here's the intangible. Here's the part that I can't show you on television. And it's the part that just, you know, an example out of my life last week. My son and I kind of buried ourselves in the kitchen with our ChipTastics, and we came up with all these different things we can do. And I got to tell you something. That is one of the best 3 hours of my life. That's the intangible, because these products are designed for you to get together as a family and share this experience. So not only are you teaching kids to eat a little bit healthier, to make a little bit smarter choices, understand that you can still have the taste and flavor, but you get that time with them. And the fact that you get everything for that price, out of this world.
Now, you can see on the screen that we have sold over 300 of these. We finally have it back in stock. It's a customer pick on hsn.com and going very quickly. It sells out every single time. It's under a $20 bill. You get the mandolin slicer. You get 3 of the seasonings to go along with this, and you can order additional seasonings, and most of you are doing that. So those are going to go very quickly too. So add those to your order.
Exactly.
But how exciting to eat chips and not feel guilty about it.
Right? Now, at the top of the show in my first demo, I showed you the potatoes. Okay, I want you to see something here. This is a live demo. We did this in real time, you guys. I want you to see this. Look at that. Perfect potato chips in 6.5 minutes with no fat, no grease, no oil, and the only seasoning that you have on these is what you decide to put on yourself. It could be salt and vinegar, it could be sour cream and onion, it could be the barbecue. We've included it all, and I'm going to show you this again. Now, by the way, not only are these fresh, you got to try this. If you've ever had kettle chips at a restaurant, these are fresh and warm.
Okay, so I love kettle chips.
What?
This is amazing. Why did it take somebody so long to create something this delicious? This is absolutely delicious. Okay, so again, those seasonings that are coming along with it are the barbecue, the sea salt and vinegar, and the sour cream and onion.
Right.
If you want to do the extra seasonings, which are delicious, we only have 200 sets of those left. Those are selling out. This will sell out as well. Think about what you spend on a bag of chips. I'm sorry for talking with my mouth full. You know, if you can even find them on sale, but they average about $4 a bag of chips.
Sure.
And you don't know what you and your family are eating. This is nothing but the pure potato, the pure sweet potato.
Exactly.
And you taste
now,
the
I'm going to bring out, and I just want you to see this, okay? That's what we're talking about. It's that caramelized, crunchy, right? I want you to hear this. Fresh sweet potato chips, come on. That's the beauty of this. And again,
delicious.
What Rocco's been doing since the 50s is innovating new products, bringing ways to get, food into our bodies that's good for us, but in a way that we're going to enjoy, that we're not sacrificing, that we're not giving anything up. So when it comes to snacking, like I said off the top, if you deny yourself that snack, if you deny yourself the ability to indulge a little bit, it grows. That's all that happens. You want more and more and more, and by the time you actually let yourself loose and have that treat or that snack, you can't stop. So why not go to town on fresh potatoes? Why not go to town on fresh sweet potatoes? Why not go to town on kale chips and apple chips and mango chips? They are so good. Listen, this kale, oh my.
I'm sitting here, of everything on the table, I'm sitting here eating a kale chip. If you would have told me that, I would have said, no way in a million years. It's absolutely delicious. Now, I noticed that I noticed that the clock has gone on the screen. We're going to give you about 1 more minute to get your order in because our phone lines are busy, so we want you to get your order in before we move on to our next item. But these are fantastic, if you need to limit your salt intake, if you have diabetic or dietary concerns. Perfect, because you can customize them exactly how you want them to be. Maybe splash them with, maybe a little olive oil, a little Italian seasoning,
Listen,
however you want to.
It's entirely up to you. It's your choice. And again, you're going to get everything you need. You're going to get the mandolin, you're going to get the ChipTastic, you're going to get the spices, you're going to get the recipe book, and you're going to get the opportunity to share that time and that experience with family in the kitchen, creating dishes, making it fun, making it healthy, and creating your own memories. And that is what the Ronco brand is all about.
You know what's funny? I haven't touched the dip once. And you've said it like 2 or 3 times.
I really wish you wouldn't call me that on live TV.
Seriously, though, you keep going, well, try the dip. I'm like, I don't need the dip. These are delicious. And I love that my fingers are not greasy.
Exactly.
You don't have that chip feeling, you know, when you eat a chip and you're like, oh, my gosh. Yet we still eat the whole bag anyway. Under $20. Don't forget, you are getting the mandolin slicer, you're getting the cooker, you're getting 3 of the seasonings. And guys, look at this. This is going to last you a long time. If you want to add an additional 3-pack of the seasonings, your item number's on the bottom of the screen, but those are about to sell out on this. What a great way to prepare health.